Hey guys, Huda here from the .comgal.com, and today I will show you how to add your logo in WordPress. It's a very easy and very simple thing to do, but I've seen this question being asked quite frequently lately, especially on Quora, so I decided to make a video about it. So let's get started. Show you my homepage. This is a dummy blog, a dummy website where I've actually created a dummy page. It's just it's a template actually from Elementor, and I just wanted to show you like the page before and after. So this is like a homepage for a restaurant. I have also created a dummy logo so that we can add it to this page, and I decided to call the restaurant the Hot Kitchen. But it's just for the purpose of this tutorial, obviously. So let's go to the dashboard. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Appearance and then Customize. Now, depending on the theme that you will have something slightly different. It depends on the theme, if it's a free one, if it's a premium one. This is actually a premium theme, but I'm just using the free version of it. It's called WordPress. It's my all-time favorite theme for the past 2 or 3 years, and I've just been installing it in all the blogs that I have built so far. I really like how flexible it is and how many options it has and stuff like that. You can install the free version. I have been working with the free version and I haven't actually upgraded. I haven't felt the need to upgrade, but you can buy it if you want to. I'm going to leave a link below, as well as Elementor, which is a page builder, and that's how I got this page here. Elementor is also one of my favorite tools that I use on my blogs, and I love building pages with it. And I'm also leaving a link for Elementor below this video if you are interested. So let's add a logo to this website. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Site Identity right here. And of course, feel free to customize your site as you wish. You can add a title, for example. We could put the name of our restaurant, which is called the Hot Kitchen. So it will show us the Hot Kitchen here. And then you can add a tagline, one-stop shop for your favorites, for example. And I'm going to uncheck this as well so that it shows us the tagline. All right, so we have the site title and the tagline, and now we're going to add our super creative logo. So we're just gonna go to select logo. I've actually already uploaded it here, so I'm just gonna pick from here. But if you don't have it, you can go to upload files and then select, and then it'll take you to the location of that file that you want to upload, okay? So I'm gonna upload this. I'm going to select it, and it's going to ask me to crop. So I want to show the whole thing, and then click on crop. So once it's uploaded, it's going to look like this. So once you've added your logo, you can play with it the way you want. You can keep this in the center or move it to the left or to the right, again depending on the theme that you're using. So if you do have WordPress, you can go to Layout and Header, and then let's go to the alignment. You can move it to the left or to the right, or you can keep it in the center. And once you have the look that you like, you can click on Publish. And now we can go to our home page, refresh this page, and then you will see that the logo is there. So this is it. This is how you actually add a logo to your WordPress site. It's very simple. It's very easy. It takes like a minute. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Once again, if you are interested in Elementor or WordPress, I have left some links below if you want to check them out. Please like, subscribe if you like my content, and share this video with someone who might find it useful. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is .com Gal, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And also check out my other videos on my left if you are interested in those topics. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and also please follow me on Pinterest. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.